Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. So previous day we learned how to create a table in HTML. Okay, today we are going to do the last topic of our chapter 5, that is hyperlinks in HTML. So let's start.
Chapter 5, Tables and Hyperlinks in HTML. So children, previously we learned how to insert a table in HTML. To insert a table in HTML, we use table pair of tags. To insert a row in the table, we have to use tr pair of tags, and to insert a cell in the table, we have to use tt pair of tags. For creating a table heading, we have to use th pair of tags, and we also learned how to use these tags for creating a table in HTML. Okay. Then we learned we can use different attributes along with the table tag for making the table more beautiful. So these are all the attributes. The first one is width. So if you want to set up a width for your table, you can use this width attribute along with the table tag. So this is the syntax for using the width attribute. You have to open the table tag, then width equal to n. Here n represent the number of pixels. Then close the tag. Or you can use this syntax also, table width equal to n percentage. Here you can enter the width in percentage. So if you are entering here 75 percentage, then your table width will cover 75 percentage of your window. Okay, like that you can set up height for your table. The syntax is same only. So table height equal to n. Otherwise you can create the table height equal in n percentage also. Okay, then you can also set a border for your table. For that you have to open the table tag, then border equal to n. Here also n represents the number of pixels. Then BG color, if you want to set up a background color for your table, you can use this syntax. Table BG color equal to, you have to enter the color name here. Okay. Then align. If you want to align your table, then you can use this table align tag. So table align equal to alignment. Instead of alignment, you have to enter here the position, to which position you want to align your table. It can be right, left, or center of your web page. Okay. Now today we are going to learn how to create hyperlinks. We know that hyperlinks are text strings or images on a web page, which when clicked on will lead you to other web pages. So hyperlinks are text strings or images. So if you click on these text strings or images, okay, it will open and will lead you to other web pages. Okay, so you can use anchor tags for creating hyperlinks. So for creating hyperlinks, we use anchor tags. These are the anchor tags. Okay. Now, you can create hyperlinks to web pages, and also you can create hyperlinks for email address. That means if you click on this hyperlink, it will open to any web page. Okay. Otherwise, if you click on this hyperlink, it will open to an email program. Understood? So first we learn creating hyperlinks to web pages. Hyperlinks to web pages means if you click on this hyperlink, whatever we are going to create, that will lead to another web page. Okay. So syntax for creating hyperlinks to web page is, what is this? This is anchor tags. You have to open the anchor tag and href. This is an attribute. Okay. Here h represents hyperlink and ref reference. Okay. So hyperlink reference equal to URL, Uniform Resource Locator. So this URL will provide all the information about the link that you are going to create. Okay. So a href equal to URL. When you close the tag, then you have to text for the link. Enter the text for the link. Okay. So whatever text you are entering here for your link, that will be displayed on your web page. Okay. Then you have to close the anchor tag. Here is an example. A href equal to www.google.com. So this is a URL. Okay. So this URL provides you the information regarding whatever text I am going to enter over here. Okay. So after closing the tag, you have to enter the text for the link. I have entered here Silver Oak School. Okay. Then you have to close the anchor tag. So this index we are entering on your notepad program only, right? Then we will save and we will open our web page so that it will appear as Silver Oak School in the web page. So whatever text we are entering here for the link, that will be displayed in the web page. Okay, like this, Silver Oak School it will be underlined also because you have to open that link only. This is the hyperlink created and this link you have to create so that it will be opening to which web page? Google. Okay, because Google is your URL. So whatever text you are entering here, that will be appear in the web page, that will be underlined also. If you that will become as the hyperlink, and if you click on that hyperlink, it will open to the URL whatever you are entered here. Okay, so this is how you can create a hyperlink to web page. Next, creating hyperlinks for email address. So for creating hyperlinks for email address, this is the syntax. You have to open the anchor tag, then href equal to mail to email address. Okay, so mail to which email address you have to link your web page. That email address you have to enter over here. Okay, so mail to email address, then close the tag, then export the link. So whatever text you are entering here, that will be appear on your web page. Then you have to close the anchor tag. Okay. Now this is an example for creating hyperlinks for email address. So open your anchor tag, then href equal to mail to. Here I have given my email address as deep@gmail.com. So whatever text here you are entering for your link, that will be open to or linked to this mail address. Okay. So I have given the text for the link as contact us. Then you have to close the anchor tag. So that what will happen? This will appear as contact us in the web page. This will be underlined also. So if you click on this contact us, it will be open to or lead to the email address. This email address, that is deep@gmail.com. Okay. Now today's practical, create a web page with hyperlinks to web page and email address. So I'll show you how to create a hyperlink and how we can link that hyperlink to a web page and also to a email address. Okay, so let's start.
So children, this is the Notepad program for creating a hyperlink in your web page. Okay, you know that for creating a web page, first of all, you have to open the Notepad program in your computer. Then you have to type the HTML program. So for creating a web page, first of all, you have to open the HTML tag. Then you have to open the header tag. Then you have to open the title tag and give a title name. Here I have given linking web pages. Okay, then close the title. Then close the header tag. After the header tag, we have opened the body tag. Here I have given body bg color equal to yellow. So the background color for my web page will be in yellow color. Okay. Then body text equal to blue. So whatever text I'm entering on my web page, that will appear in blue color. Okay. So this is the syntax, body text equal to blue. Then close the tag. Then again I am starting my paragraph, AP align equal to center. So my paragraph will be aligned to center. And this is my heading also, so I am giving here h1 tag. Then I need my heading in bold and underline, so I have used b tag and u tag. And this is my heading, hyperlinks. Okay, so this will be in bold and underlined. So close the tags whatever you have opened. We have opened underline tag, so close the underline tag, close the bold tag and close the heading tag. Paragraph tag we will use for only starting the paragraph, will not close the paragraph tag. Next, again, next line, next paragraph, align equal to left. So my paragraph will start from the left of the web page. My text will be bold because I have given here b tag. Then font size equal to 4. So the font size for my text will be 4. So this is my text hyperlinks to web page. Now I have used a tag. A tag means anchor tags. Okay, so I have opened the anchor tag. Anchor tag is used for creating hyperlink. So attribute href equal to, then you have to enter the URL. Here I have given www.google.com. For entering a URL, you have to start like this. Okay. Now after the URL, you have to type the text for your link. Here I have given the text as Google search. Okay. So this Google search, this text will appear on the web page. Then I have closed the anchor tag, closed the font tag and bold tag. Again I have started the next paragraph from the left, okay, of my web page, and the text will be in italics. So I tag I have used. This is my text for further information. Then again I have opened a tag, that is anchor tag for creating hyperlink. This is the attribute href equal to mail2deep@gmail.com. So you have to enter the mail to address, then the text for the link is contact us. So this text will appear on the web page. Okay, now we have to close the anchor tag and italic tag, I tag. So my body part is over, so I'm closing my body. So I have used body tag for closing, and I have to close my HTML tag also. Okay, so this is the Notepad program for creating a hyperlink on your web page. Now I have already saved the Notepad program in the extension of .html, hyperlink.html. okay, hyperlink.html. so you can find this web page, hyperlink web page, on your documents. Okay, one more time I'm saving file and save. Now you have to open your documents. Okay, documents. Now you can see here this web page, hyperlink. Okay, open this web page. Okay, now you can see here, this is our web page. This is background color of the web page is yellow and the text color is blue. Okay, and the heading is hyperlinks. It is started at the center of the web page, and it is in bold and underlined also. You can see here. Next paragraph, we have started from the left of the web page. Our text was hyperlinks to web page. Then we have created a hyperlink, and the text for the link was Google search. Here you can see, right? Google search. Again, the next paragraph started from the left of the web page. The text was for further information. It was in italics. You can see here it is in italics, and we have again created a hyperlink, and the text for the link was contact us. Okay, this one. Now we are going to open this hyperlinks. So our hyperlinks are Google search and contact us. Now I will open this hyperlink Google search, or double click on this. So it is opening here. You can see it's opening. Okay, so our URL was google.com, so it's opened. Okay, because of the slow connection, first it was not open, now it's open because and the web page is Google. Okay, URL was google.com, so your web page is opened or linked to another web page. Okay, now go back. Okay, now our next hyperlink was contact us, so I am double clicking, opening this. You can see here, yes, it is open to a email program, and we have given the mail to email address as deep@gmail.com, so it is open to deep@gmail.com. If you are having any query regarding this, you can make a query by using this email address. Okay, so this is the way you have to create hyperlink to web page and also for email address. I hope you understood.
So children, that's all about chapter 5, tables and hyperlinks in HTML. So in this chapter, you have to learn about different tags and its attributes, and how to use the tags along with the attributes, and what are the purpose of the tags. Okay, so these are the important things you have to learn from this chapter. If you are having any queries from this chapter, please ask me. Thank you.